Hello. A very warm welcome to my channel. We are almost a few days from Christmas. And guess what? We are having a very stressful year so far. It is actually beyond stress, I would say. I probably haven't seen so much panic attack and have not treated so much panic attacks or anxiety attacks for the last 8 months that I have done in my entire 20-year career. So here I am with my favorite de-stressing methods. Number 1, stop overthinking. As a woman, I will say that we have a lot of responsibilities. We have to take care of our family, we have to take care of our job, and everything revolves around how good we function. But at the same time, we sometimes beat ourselves to death, almost like that. So we overthink, we are thinking and overthinking. So we need to stop overthinking and just be yourself and not think about what this person is going to think. What is my daughter going to think if she doesn't like the gifts? What is your husband going to say if he got this gift, or anybody? Don't overthink. Don't overjudge yourself. Just be yourself and do as best as you can. De-stress number 2. Every person has a way of de-stressing when they come home from work. For me, it's taking a bath, warm and fuzzy with lots of bath bombs, or just taking a long shower. And I absolutely love doing that, and it really helps me. That is my time which I spend to myself, and I drink my coconut water or a cup of hot tea, which absolutely rejuvenates me, so I can get ready for my job as a mom or as a wife. De-stress number 3. We all know that if we are not going to be happy ourselves, then you are not going to be able to be happy and keep others be happy. So for that, you need to cut down on your spending for this year. I know you have a long list of things for every person and you want to buy each and every gift. However, we cannot always go to the store right now. Me, I'm a workaholic person, but at the same time, I'm a shopaholic as well. Guess what? I haven't shopped except for online shopping. Yes, my Black Friday was absolutely beautiful. I didn't have to go anywhere. I just logged on to my computer and did everything right there. So that's very important, online shopping. Definitely set up for an online shopping, and it's absolutely possible that you might have to return or exchange the thing that you're buying, but it does help in keeping your stress level low. I am absolutely loving it. For a person who loves to shop, I do not have to go out, and I'm just doing the shopping in the comfort of my home. So that is something I definitely think is going to de-stress a lot of you, because you don't have to fight through the Christmas. You know, people are on the road, they are going to the store, there is a lot of crowd, parking slots are full. So I think online shopping is going to be the call of the day. However, if you are someone who wants to do shopping, maybe go in the early hours in the morning or kind of late hours in the evening. Now, still that's kind of unpredictable. So for me, it's going to be online shopping. De-stress number 4. On the weekend, I watch my favorite movies, either Christmas movies or things which make me happy. My daughter has a subscription to Disney Plus, and guess what? Yesterday I was watching Mulan, and it literally made me feel so good. I felt that I was relaxing with my family, and it was just the most happy moment for the whole week, I would say. So that definitely could be your de-stress. De-stress number 5. For me, it is decorating. However, a lot of people get stressed out about they have to take out everything that they have for Christmas out of the box. That's not needed. You can just pick a theme. For this year, it could just be a Christmas tree which is white, which I have created in the back, and I'm going to show you at the next video how I created that magical white Christmas tree, and that actually made me de-stressed. However, for you, it could be something else. You might be interested in putting lights up at the front of the house and not have so much going on inside the house, and that's perfectly fine. You don't have to worry about that. Number 6, you do not have to make everybody happy. It is very well possible that your daughter or son or your family member is going to get a gift card from you, and that's absolutely fine. Don't think that they are going to think about, oh my God, she didn't even care to go. I have a teenage girl, and I know that she actually loves to buy things on her own. So I'm just going to go simple and buy a gift card for her, or buy some stocking stuffers in addition to that, or give them cash and they can buy at their favorite store. If you have a younger child, maybe you can give a few things. You don't have to buy every single thing that they have put out on the list, and you can just tell them that this year Santa has been very stressed and could not deliver all the gifts on time. Limiting the number of parties that you're going to take. That can be a very, very big stress in your life. If you have parties on Friday evening, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon, it's not going to work for this year, because you need to de-stress after each party. So please make sure you are able to say no politely, and it's absolutely fine to do that. You are going to be happy in just attending maybe 1 or 2 parties this Christmas season, and that's absolutely fine. Next number is something called a weighted blanket. I'm going to try to outline below. You can buy this on Amazon. So what is a weighted blanket? Weighted blanket is things that you can put on your body when you go to sleep at night. It's like a huge blanket, but it's a heavy blanket. And what it does, it has been shown to decrease stress or anxiety or panic attacks in the middle of the night. Guess what time people get panic attacks? In the middle of the night, they would wake up from sleep, gasping for air and feel short of breath, and they rush to the emergency room. A weighted blanket can really be very, very good. You can always keep your cozy blankets, of course, for the fireside. However, at night when you go to bed, keep a heavy kind of a blanket, which is going to help and give you like a comforting fuzziness throughout the night, and you're going to have a beautiful sleep, which is essential for de-stressing. Next number, limit cooking. Cooking can be very stressful. You have to go to the groceries, you have to go here, there. This year, maybe just buy things through the Instacart and just make your holiday shopping and cooking a little bit simplified. You can always help people who are in terms of need. Next number, de-stress. For me, one of the things I realized I am de-stressed when I am decluttered. This is so true. When you look at things which are cluttered, or there is too many things in one shelf, it actually makes your brain feel overwhelmed and makes you feel more stressed, overtly stressed. So what you need to do is, this year, instead of going for the shopping, just declutter your home. You are going to feel so good. Don't think you're going to declutter the entire house in one day. Just take up a shelf and just declutter that area. Just take up your bathroom and see the things that you're not using and just donate them, or if they're expired, just trash them. However, it's very important that you declutter and keep utmost simplified regimen for everything you can possibly do. My last but not the least point is, we need to stop retail therapy. Do you know what retail therapy is? Retail therapy is when a wife or a mom or a person is feeling great if they buy something for themselves or they buy something for their children, before you buy something, ask yourself this question: do you really need this extra eyeshadow palette? Probably not. So that's very, very important, because what happens is we tend to overbuy things and then we try to return those things, and then it causes a significant amount of stress in your life. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and going forward I want to go along with this kind of videos for the entire month. Please do not forget to put the like button and comment below as to what is your best method of de-stressing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys.